If you're looking into the newly released LivePortrait.org AI software, you've probably already heard about the buzz surrounding it. But what do you really need to know before diving in? I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things that'll help you understand why this could be the best AI software you try this year. And yes, you can actually try it completely free using the first link in the description below. Stick around until the end because I'm going to share some unique insights that'll help you make the most out of this software. First off, LivePortrait.org is an AI tool designed to bring portraits to life. With its advanced deep learning algorithms, it takes static images and adds dynamic movement, making them appear as though they're speaking or reacting to their environment. This kind of software is a game changer, especially for creators, marketers, and digital artists who want to inject life into otherwise still images. It's a tool that adds depth and interaction, and it's something not many AI softwares are doing right now. What makes LivePortrait.org stand out is its ease of use. While most AI tools require you to have a deep technical background, this one's different. You simply upload a portrait and the AI automatically processes it. There's minimal setup, and it's incredibly user-friendly for beginners. Whether you're a social media marketer looking to create engaging content, or a business owner who needs to present a more interactive form of advertising, this tool can quickly give you the results you need. Another thing worth mentioning is its compatibility. LivePortrait.org works seamlessly with other digital marketing and social media platforms. If you're an influencer or a brand, this makes the software even more valuable. The portraits you create can easily be used in your campaigns across platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or even in email marketing, boosting engagement and bringing something fresh to your content. One of the best parts about LivePortrait.org is its customization options. You're not just getting a generic portrait animation. The software allows you to fine-tune the movements, expressions, and reactions of the portraits you create. This flexibility opens up a wide range of creative possibilities, whether you're making an educational video, an ad, or even just a fun social media post. Now, for those of you thinking about cost, LivePortrait.org offers a free trial. Yes, you can try it out completely free, so there's no risk in seeing if it fits your needs. You get full access to the features without needing to commit upfront. It's a great way to see if it's the right tool for your creative process. Another important point to note is the AI's ability to work with various types of portraits. You can upload not just traditional photos, but also older images, sketches, and even illustrations. The software uses its AI-powered tech to analyze and bring these images to life, regardless of their original format. This is perfect for artists, content creators, or marketers who work with a mix of visual assets and want them all to have that added layer of interactivity. Finally, let's talk about the future potential of LivePortrait.org. While this AI software is impressive now, it's still in its early stages. There's a lot of room for updates and improvements, which means this is the perfect time to jump in. As the software develops, you'll likely see more features that make your work even easier and more dynamic, giving you an edge over your competition in digital content creation. To wrap it up, LivePortrait.org is a unique AI software that brings static portraits to life with minimal effort. It's perfect for creators, businesses, and marketers who want to add interactive elements to their visuals. Whether you're using it for social media posts, ads, or other types of content, this tool offers the customization, compatibility, and ease of use you need. Don't forget, you can try it for free by using the first link in the description below. And if you're interested, I've got more of my recommended AI tools listed down there too. After trying thousands of AI softwares, these are the ones I personally vouch for.